Sa'yo namin.
Sa huling ikot ni Mitch, lingid sa kaalaman nito, isang malaking sorpresa na ang naghihintay para sa kanya.
Oke, Mama. Thank you po, Kuya!
I was crying so much po, Kuya. Like, it was the first time talaga I was crying that much in front of my mom po. It's been a long time naman po, Kuya, since I saw my mom. And na-miss ko talaga ang mom ko.
Mitch,
Yes po.
gawin mo na ang inyong huling ikot.
Take your time, bro. Take your time, bro.
Tandaan lang! Kaya mo yan!
Yay! Hello po!
Mommy!
Hey, pre, hinay lang, pre. Take your time.
He met his mom po. I could hear them crying po, and then that's when I cried po because I miss my mom so much, and it made me cry po, Kuya, that their bond is very strong.
Yan na, yan na. Hello ni Michelle. 88!
Sa'yo namin.
One big hit, it's mine.